Hello students.
Hello, teacher.
How are you doing?
We are fine, thank you. And you?
Me too. Okay, sit down please. Before we start our lesson, we should make new groups. For it, you should scan the QR code and then make new 3 groups: Egypt, Dubai and the Maldives. Do you agree?
Yes.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. The next task will be the game. You know about this game. It's Kahoot. For knowing about our theme, we should play the game vocabulary. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. The pin code of Kahoot 9540707. Please enter one member from one group. It's team play. Okay?
Okay.
It's 3 groups: Maldives, Dubai, Egypt. Ramazan Bibat Asaljan, Ramazan first group. Second group, Banu, Dania and Alihan, second group. Third group, Nargis, Maya, Bakhtiar and Bekjan. Good job. Okay, let's start to play. 5 seconds and the 4 choices. Voyage, what this mean? Please do your choice. Make your choice. Be quick. I see only one answer. What is the second group? Okay, 2 groups are right. Good job. Make applause. Let's continue. Okay, you have only 3 seconds. Please do your choice. What? Nobody? Why? We divided into 3 groups: Egypt, Dubai and Maldives. We played the Kahoot games, and from this, what do you think? What's about our lesson? Sorry. You may say. Okay.
Traveling trip.
Expedition. Okay. Excursion. Okay. Yes. Very good answer. You are right. Today's lesson about what? Travel and tourism. Okay, let's continue. Please enter the classpoint.app as usual. Okay, you entered to class point. Here only 1 student. Why so less? Please enter. Now lesson objectives. Who wants to read? Please, you may.
Discuss holy phrases, use holy vocabulary in practice, read text, answer the question about the text.
Okay, thank you. Good job. Assessment criteria. Who wants? Ramazan, please.
Assessment criteria: find the best title, retell the story, enter your partner.
Thank you. Good job. Here's the second task, which is connected also with vocabulary too. You should, in 1 minute, write up 5 things you like doing when you are on holiday. For example, it's my examples: relaxing, taking photos, and write your own examples. Let's do.
I think
Swimming.
You have only 3 minutes for this task. job. I see your answers here. Umbrella, maybe you saw that you need umbrella, making swimming, traveling, playing, making photos, swimming, shopping and flying. Very good job. Please make a pause. Thank you. Now we will listen one text. Please listen carefully, because after listening you should do one exercise. You should find the best title for this text. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Module 8. Travel and Tourism. 8A. Read.
As I said, this is your task. You have only 3 minutes for doing this task. You should find the best title. You should mark A, B or C. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Okay, make your choice.
C or A or C is
Thank you for your
Okay, all group answered. Good job. 1 minute. Wow, very good job. 100%. You see that you understand the text. Okay? The next task is flip card. Your task here. There are many problems facing tourism today. Some of these include safety, marketing, and the problem, and etc. What should you do? You should, in 4 minutes, write here problems and how we solve these problems. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, it's for you. Yes. Okay, let's start.
Transport problems.
That you finished your posters, flip cards. Now take a photo, then send to active board. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, do the photo.
Yeah.
Okay, I see your posters. There is poster by Egypt. Okay, who wants to read it? Yes, you may. Maya, please.
Problems, weather, ecology, transport, medicine, language, money.
Good job, thank you. You did a very great job. The last task for today is you should answer for the biggest questions today. What have you learned today? Okay?
Yes.
Please write your answers, then we finished our lesson. Okay, very good answer. Before you travel somewhere, you need to learn their maybe a culture, language you mean, okay? Learn about travel, tourism and the problems. Okay, your home task is you should make a test from your books. There are 5 questions. If I'm not mistaken, choose the best one. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Please send me to Padlet. Okay. Thank you for your